In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a homepage link to Navbar logo in Webflow. By the end, your site's logo in the navigation bar will reliably take visitors back to the home page, which is a small touch that makes a big difference for usability. Start by opening your project in the Webflow designer. On the canvas, click your Navbar logo to select it. In most Webflow nav components, that logo is the brand element, which behaves like a link. If you're not sure you've got the right element, you can also select it from the Navigator. Once it's selected, head to the Element Settings panel, the tab with the little gear icon. In Link Settings, choose the option to link to a page. You'll see a drop-down that says, Choose a Page. Open that list and select your home page. This tells Webflow to navigate to your home page whenever someone clicks the logo, which is the standard pattern users expect. Next, you'll notice a toggle for Open in New tab. For a logo that links within your own site, it's best to keep this off, which is the default. Internal navigation shouldn't open extra tabs, so leaving it at default is the right call. You may also see advanced loading options like prefetch and pre-render. These control how the browser prepares that page behind the scenes. Prefetch hints the browser to download resources early, and pre-render goes further by rendering the page in the background. For a homepage logo link, the default setting is typically ideal, balancing performance and predictability. If you do explore these options, confirm they return to default after you check them. Click Show all settings to expand any additional link options so you can quickly review everything at a glance. With the link behavior in place, switch to the Style panel and make sure your logo's appearance hasn't changed. You can scan through the sections like Layout, Position, Typography, and Effects to confirm nothing unexpected was applied by the link. Generally, turning a logo into a page link won't affect styles, but it's good practice to verify. When you're satisfied, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish at the top right, then choose Publish to selected domains. Webflow will push your update, and from now on, clicking the Navbar logo will return visitors to the home page just as they expect. That's it. You set the logo's link to your home page, kept the